Havergal helps build my love of STEM in the way that they're always adding on to their STEM program. There's always something new going on, especially with the new build that's coming in.
STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. Specifically for STEM, we want it to be active and hands-on.
The philosophy behind the Havergal STEM program is to really focus on the big ideas in science, to develop the habits of mind that encourage problem solving, deductive reasoning, making good observations, knowing what's real, and then challenging some assumptions that investigations might prove different.
I think my favorite part of Havergal's STEM program is that we can actually experiment with new things and we can try things out for ourselves.
I like science and math because you always have more than one way of figuring out something new.
When our Havergal girls participate in STEM, they are becoming lifelong learners and they are becoming discoverers.
The STEM program at Havergal really helps students develop those investigative skills.
From the youngest students to the oldest, they're all exposed to teachers who have specialty areas in math and specialty areas in science in particular.
My teachers at Havergal have really helped me challenge myself in STEM classes as well as give me skills for other classes. And I think that is going to be really important for my future.
Having a STEM program in an elementary school is very important for them to see that these beginning ideas are important.
Properly designed activities will pique their interests and allow them to make observations and ultimately make deductions about how the world works.
This program has allowed me to really be curious and really extend my knowledge on everything about STEM.
Participating in STEM has given me the opportunity to meet so many new friends, and it has helped me meet a whole community of tight-knit individuals who are all passionate about the same field.
I'm most excited about their new STEM classrooms and the equipment that they're going to get.
The new space should impact teaching in a really positive way because it is being designed from the ground up.
Having spaces that are inspiring helps girls be inspired.
One aspect of the facility I'm most excited about is the arrangement of the space.
I'm really excited for the junior school next year to be able to have the science lab right beside the art room.
It will enable the instruction to be using the right type of instruction for the right type of learning.
It's a culture shift on teaching. You're telling us now that we can have a space that girls can destroy things or make things that are different. That's the space that we're looking for.
We got to collaborate and share ideas that we wanted to see in the Makerspace. I think that was a really cool opportunity because we're being supported in so many ways.
We've always had the projects. We now need the space to do those projects and do those projects well.
As a girls' school, I think it's important that we provide all of the opportunities we can for them to see themselves in those non-traditional roles.
There is a big, huge gender gap right now that exists in both post-secondary and the workforce.
That means that we're not getting all the brightest minds working on the problems that we need to solve today in society.
We want girls to feel that they're confident, to feel that they're interested, and feel that they can be successful.
The fact that Havergal's offered me this program is really amazing, and I think it set me up to succeed in my post-high school life.